In this video, we'll learn how to remove the background of a picture in Google Slides. Removing the background is now very easy with the new Google Workspace Labs feature. To use this, you first need to sign up for Google Workspace Labs. Go to our blog, click on the link, and complete the sign-up process. Once done, open Google Slides and insert the image you want to edit. You can upload your own image, use stock images, or generate one using the Slides AI extension. I'll generate an image here as an example. Now click on the image, right-click, and select Remove Background. Google Slides will automatically remove the background in one click. If you can't access Google Workspace Labs, you can use other tools like Remove.bg, Canva, or Adobe Express to remove the background, then insert the image into your slides. If you're still creating presentations from scratch, try Slides AI. Just enter your topic, add a few instructions, and your presentation will be generated in seconds. Check out the description for detailed blog post links and step-by-step tutorials. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment on which tutorial you'd like next.